I'm Fabiola. For those of you that don't know me, I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos. And I also love to blog, so make sure to follow me on my blog at FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com and also follow me on social medias. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to the video. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys what fits inside my Toiletry makeup bag. And I have this one right here. Isn't she so pretty? I love this print. This is a luxury inspired bag, and they have many others on their website. I have actually two right here in the back so you guys can see them. They are beautiful. Great quality. These are from a website that is called checkeredbags.com, and these are from a brand called Luxuria, and they are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So I have three to share with you guys. So this one here is my main toiletry bag at the moment. I keep all my essentials, my skincare items, and some makeup. And I absolutely love these because they are like the perfect size. As you can see, they are pretty big, very spacious. They feature this really nice zipper that is very nice and smooth. And the inside looks like this. And they have a tag that says Luxuria on it. And like I said, they are inspired, and I just love the print on this, you guys. It's beautiful, and it's made out of this really good quality PU leather. I mean, I can't say enough. I love them, and it looks so pretty in the vanity. So I also have two other prints which I will share with you guys in just a minute. But I also wanted to share with you guys that I do have a coupon code. If you're interested, it's 15% off. I'll leave the exact link on the coupon code down there below, as well as their website, checkeredbags.com. But let me show you guys first the other two prints that I have in the back, and then we'll get to what fits inside my toiletry bag. So here's an overview of all these beautiful bags. I did want to mention that they do offer free shipping, free returns with no questions asked, and their prices are super affordable. You will definitely get a beautiful luxury inspired bag. So I highly recommend you check out their website. You will really love the quality. So this style right here is gorgeous. This is, I believe, one of the most popular styles ever. It's in this beautiful checkered print, and it is designer inspired, and this here is just wonderful. It does feature this top handle that you can use to carry all your essentials, toiletries, makeup, you name it. You can definitely fit everything in here, and it does have this super ultra smooth zipper. Definitely one of my favorite styles. I also have this other style right here, which I believe is the perfect one for a guy. This is great to keep his toiletries, his deodorants, perfumes, shaving items, everything, and it's perfect to bring to the gym. And then of course, here is the first style that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. It's this beautiful light cream color. This here is my favorite. I really love it. I think it goes perfect in my vanity. So I'm definitely going to keep this here for my makeup and all my skincare essentials. So I want to show you guys very quickly what I keep inside my toiletry bag. I'm going to say it's mostly my toiletry bag because I keep a little bit of everything in there, not just a makeup, but you can definitely use this as a makeup bag, toiletry bag, gym bag, etc. So inside this bag, as you can see, it is super spacious. You can definitely fit so much, and I have this packed, and there's still halfway more to fill. So inside I keep my my Optifresh contact lens solution. I also keep this hand cream. I always have a hand cream inside my toiletry bag because it's so necessary, especially now in the winter. And I also have this For Real Luna that I carry all the time. I also have this perfume. This is from the brand Luxe SB, and it is a Marc Jacobs perfume. In here, I also have this Radiant Labs infused serum. This is what I use every day before and after my makeup. It works amazing for my skin. Also in here, of course, I keep my contact lens case to go with my contact lens solution. And look at all that space in there. There's still like so much space. And every time I carry either a makeup bag or a toiletry bag, I always have a like compact mirror. So I do have this compact mirror. Isn't it so pretty? It has like glitter and hearts. And I've had this for like a few years now, but it's like definitely one of my favorite ones. So I always make sure to carry that in my bag. And then of course I have my ultimate favorite lipstick at the moment. This is a liquid lipstick. It's from Huda Beauty and it's in the shade Trophy Wife, but it's beautiful. It's actually the one that I'm actually wearing in the video at the moment. Also in there, here is my favorite mascara. It's called the Big T's by Buxom, and I've been using this for a couple months. Highly recommend it. So these last items in here were actually sent out to me from Oaktoli and the brand Fresh so that I could try out and review. And I absolutely adore these right here, you guys. They are like my favorite at the moment. So I got this here, which is a lip sugar scrub. Let me show you guys what it looks like. You use this about 2 to 3 times a week. It smells so good, you guys. And it literally exfoliates all those dead skins off your lips. And it leaves your lips looking super nice and feeling extra smooth. So this is like definitely something that I would recommend to anyone, especially if you use lipsticks all the time. I literally use lipsticks every single day. So this is like a must-have for me. This one's here is called the Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment, and this is mostly like a lip balm. And the packaging is like so nice. It's just like literally a lip balm. There's no color, but it's so hydrating on your lips. Normally what I do is I use the lip scrub and then I use this here at nighttime, and it just leaves my lips so nice and so soft. And then I also have this one. This is called the Sugar Rose by Fresh, and this one actually has like a little color to it so that you can use this during the day. I use this mostly to go to work. It just has like a tiny bit of color. If you can, as you can see here, it's like nothing too bright. It's just like perfect. So those are like all the things that you can fit inside these beautiful bags. You can definitely fit like so much, and like I said, they are very versatile. You can use them in multiple ways. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to leave you guys the exact links on where you can find these down there below. Make sure to check them out. Also, check out my blog. I'll be leaving you guys some close-up pictures of these beautiful bags. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
That's all we'll ever like, but that can never